how to replace the wiper blades in your Chevy Impala. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Replacing the wiper blades on this Impala is very simple. I do want to note that this car has factory GM blades, and we're going to replace them with factory GM blades. Now you can pick any brand that you want, but I do recommend going with factory. They work well, they're very sleek, and they're not very expensive. I'll have a link in the description. You can get these off of Amazon for about $15 per blade. So here is the driver's side part number, and here is the passenger side part number. So this is super simple. We'll start on the passenger side. Just going to use a small flat screwdriver, and we'll pry up on this clip. Just like that. Lift it up, and now push the blade towards the wiper arm and just slide it right off. And now I'll just reverse that process and install the new one. Sit the wiper arm into the opening. Once the arm is into the opening of the blade, you're gonna wanna pull the blade away from the wiper arm and snap down. That's it. We'll do the same thing on the driver's side. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.